A flipped class blends the advantages of traditional lecture-style learning with practical in-class interaction with course content. So, what is a flipped class? A flipped class is one where students are introduced to content on their own and practice working through content in class. To help you understand a flipped class, let's put some definition to the way a course is traditionally structured. Every course that has some face-to-face component progresses through a sequence of in-class and out-of-class time. In a traditional lecture-based class, students are typically assigned materials to review before coming to class, like reading and maybe some online content. But then are expected to sit through an in-class presentation or lecture that covers similar content. And then are assigned something to do for homework, typically an assignment on their own. In a flipped classroom, students have online access to the instructor's lectures and other resources ahead of time, which frees up face-to-face time to allow students to seek clarification from instructors, collaborate with peers, and practice applying concepts while getting guidance and feedback in person. This lets students leave class with a clearer awareness and better resources to apply their learning.